It's really been an amazing year, huh? But do you remember Oli Banks? And you played Sarah Cameron?
Yes, I do remember that. Or when we ran the torch run with all the cross country.
Oh yeah, and you were like passed out.
No, I wasn't.
First minute.
No, I wasn't. Oh my gosh. Remember we used to watch this movie every day in the SBO room during lunch?
Oh my gosh.
One more time?
Fine, we have to make it quick.
On my way, feeling fine. I can see my reflection in my surfboard shine. I can hardly wait to cause a commotion. Come on, everyone, jump into the ocean. Flying high, just out of reach. No hands in spots where it's gonna be. Surf, 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 crazy. Surf, surf, crazy. Ride the perfect wave, say hi to the sky. Surf, surf, surf. It's a bikini wonderland. Summer's on, and we're young. Surf, surf, crazy.
Oh, we have to go.
Fine. Yeah.
Oh, hey, Prez, don't forget your sweater.
Oh, okay. Oh my
Matt.
gosh. What's happening?
Matt.
What's happening?
I tried to save you. This is the part where you tell me I'm your hero, then shower me with kisses.
Brady, I've tried to tell you, I don't need saving. I just need to get back to Olympus and announce the new SBO president. And Brady?
Yeah?
Brady.
Yeah.
Blue skies, gentle breeze, what a day. Sunshine and sweet harmonies, time to play. No more complications. From now on, just good vibrations.
On my way, feeling fine. I can see my reflection in my surfboard. I can hardly wait to cause a commotion. Come on, everyone, jump into the ocean. Fly high, just out of reach. No ends if buts were not supposed to be.
Surf, surf, woo! Surf, surf, crazy.
Ride the perfect wave, say hi to the sky.
Surf, surf, surf. It's a bikini wonderland. Summer's on and we've gone. Surf, surf, crazy. The radio blares and here's the plan. We'll soak up the sun and get the ultimate tan. We can hardly wait to show our devotion. Come on, everyone, jump into the ocean. Now's the time to hear the speech. Never looking down on the ball at the beach. Surf, surf, woo! Surf, surf, crazy.
Surf, surf, crazy.
Ride the perfect wave, say hi to the sky.
Surf, surf, surf. It's a bikini wonderland. Summer's on and we've gone. Surf, surf, crazy.
Come on, guys, let's go. Yeah.
Mac, we're in the movie.
What movie?
The movie, Teen Beach Movie.
What? How?
Well, that was so awesome. I mean, insane, huh? Oh, what up, dog?
Far out. He thinks we're animals.
No, it's an expression, but it does sound kind of weird.
And where are you cats from?
So cats is fine, but dogs is weird.
Just follow my lead.
Is it leading us back to Olympus?
We're from not far away.
But close, but far.
Oh,
Far
right.
close.
Hey,
Far.
sea cats. Rascal. Seems to me we've got some unwanted outsiders.
They may be unwanted outsiders, but I know one wanted outsider is the new Senate president. The new SBO Senate president.
Oh my gosh.
Drum roll, please. rodents.
How cool is that?
So we landed in the middle of a surf and turf war.
Soifus. Thought I smelled something fishy.
Rodents. Knew I should have laid some traps.
Thought you were exterminated.
I thought you, Soifus, was all washed up.
Yeah, because clearly yours is strips.
You should make like the ocean and wave goodbye because Butchie wants this place to himself.
Yeah, Butchie wants this place all to himself.
Yeah, but you want to. Oh.
They does not lie.
I'm sorry, but Big Mama's is the perfect hangout.
We want it all to ourselves.
Well, I'm so very sorry, but that might not probably happen. Excuse me, excuse me. I'll show you what.
Stand back.
Why?
You'll see.
You better run, run, run. Here we come. Revving our engines under the sun. You're cruising, oh, cruising. Woo! Keeping smooth and steady. Slick back here, man. Things are getting heavy. You're cruising, oh, cruising. Got 2 wheels and an open road. Wrapped in leather, ready to go. Don't stop, stop the music. Ride fast, like a bullet. We do anything we want, anytime we want. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We just ride, ride, ride all day. We're not gonna live any other way.
The bubble gum, cherry pop, go to the hop. Hanging with my brother, cause his friends are so hot.
Alright. I went to the drive and what did I see? My little baddies all staring at me. I was cruising for some loving. I got 2 wheels and an open road. Just pop that clutch, I'm ready to go. Let's go!
Stop the music.
We drive fast like a bullet.
We do anything we want, anytime we want. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We just ride, ride, ride all day. We're not gonna live any other way. Oh no, we're not
Gonna live any other way.
You just couldn't help yourself, could you?
I've always wanted to be in that number.
Brady, my whole life depends on us getting out of here, like now.
Except maybe it'd be fun to hang out for a bit.
Except no, because I have to graduate in an hour, in 6 years.
Fine. Maybe we need to figure out how we got here in order to know how to leave. So we came in from the SBO room, right?
Right.
Maybe that has something to do with it?
Well, what do we do in the meantime?
Hey, there's a shredder shindig at Big Mama's tonight. You should both make the scene.
Yeah, but
Sounds blasted! Let's go!
Hey, Giggles, those moves are seismic.
It didn't get him to move, that's the problem, see, cat. It's getting him to stop.
this shindig is groovy. Too bad it smells like burnt rubber.
So, boss, how do we get Big Mama's to be only a biker joint?
Shut up, I'm thinking.
How long is that gonna take?
Great, now I got 2 things to think about. We're not gonna let a bunch of waterlogged washouts ruin our very fine evening.
Big Mama's is like a second home to me, if I had a first one.
Yeah, I popped my first wheelie in here.
Hey, did you see that Soifa dude eyeballing you?
Yeah, I saw him all right.
Sodas for everyone.
Thanks, sis. Those Soifas weren't bothering you, were they?
No, of course not. You know, they're not so bad.
All Soifas is bad,
Yeah, all soifers are bad.
except for the ones that are very bad.
They're even worse.
Come on, it's almost time. Let's go. Hey, Big Mama, you sure know how to fry up a fish burger.
If you can catch it, Big Mama can cook it.
Before I begin, I would like to dedicate this song to the new Titans Elevated President. The new Titans Elevated President is Abigail Payne.
it's like 2 inches up. The worst you could have done is broken a nail.
Guess I literally fell for you, huh? I'm Layla.
I know. I mean, yeah, you are.
And who are you?
Brady.
We'll give you 2, Robin. Sure. Brady, a moment?
Oh, excuse me, Layla.
Okay, it was really great falling into you. I hope we can do it again sometime.
The mannequin with 6 rows of teeth just asked me out.
Mac, something's not right. Look around, nothing's happening. It's almost dull. Okay, so when Layla sings a song about being happy and finding the perfect boy,
That's the point. Why does she need a guy to be happy?
because it's 1962. Anyways, the thing is, it's Tanner who's supposed to catch her as he's walking by.
Okay, well, what happens after he catches her?
They fall instantly in love, but are pulled apart and a full-on dance war breaks out.
Okay, so it's almost like no one knows what to do next.
Because instead they fell into our arms and now they're in love with us.
So we changed the movie.
We changed the movie.
Do you think it'll affect anything?
It affected who they fell for. Who knows what else it could affect?
Oh, thanks again, Brady, for catching me.
You know these are.
Oh, bonkers, are you two together? I would never try to take another girl's boy. I mean, that would be stealing. And probably very hard to return.
No, we're together, but we're not together, so
Layla, this is Mac.
So you wouldn't mind if Brady took me for a walk on the beach?
by all means.
Okay, meet me by the water then. Oh, it was very nice to meet you.
I think I'll do the same with Tanner.
All right, I'll be back as soon as I get that smoking hot girl to hate me.
Good luck.
It's nice.
Sure.
So, Layla, how come you bikers don't get along with the surfers?
Well, I guess it's always been like that. We're not supposed to have that much in common. Plus, we both want big mamas.
Well, some of them seem pretty cool, though. Like that guy, Tanner.
It was very courageous of you to charge this stage like that. It saved my life.
Courageous? No. I mean, a little, but I'm sure anyone would have done the same, even a surfer.
You're my hero.
Hero?
I mean...
Listen, Layla, it's great spending time with you, but I'm not what you think.
Hi.
Hi.
Mind if I join you?
I would want to join me too.
So you play guitar?
I know.
I mean, are you good?
Well, I feel a little tired, but...
Playing guitar.
Oh, well sure, when something inspires me. If music be the food of love, play on.
I like it.
Thanks. Sometimes I talk a little for effect. I dig you, Mac. You're different from other girls around here.
Actually, I'm not different. I'm exactly the same.
The same as what?
As everyone who's not different.
You mind if I write a song for you?
Yeah, but what word rhymes with Max? Mac, that's an awful song. Tanner, listen. The only reason you like me is because you think me falling into you is destiny. But it's not. It's your destiny with someone who isn't me. See?
Someone wonderful
well, what do we do next?
Okay, so next in the movie, the biker girls all hang out at Layla's and the surfer guys all hang out at Big Mama's.
Okay, we gotta figure out a way to get ourselves invited.
Right, so I'll go this way, you go that way? Cool.
No, you go.
Go that way, that way.
You know what I've never done before?
Eaten a rock, kissed a squirrel.
All exciting things, but no.
You know what I've never done? Announced a new SBO. The new Be Strong coordinator. Is Mark Bukai.
I've never been to a pajama party.
We do them all the time. We're doing one tonight.
You don't say.
Sure I do. I just did. I'll see you there.
Wouldn't miss it.
Oh, hey Tanner, what are you guys doing later tonight?
We're hanging at Big Mama's. You want to come?
Sure.
Sweet, let's go.
Sounds groovy.
Just keep teasing, Struts.
Too many Jeeps, Chi-Chi. How high do you want me to go?
Until your ears pop.
Okay, but watch out for those ceiling fans.
Oh, and make it even this time. Last time, I kept tipping over.
Oh my gosh.
It's beautiful. Should I wear this to go see Brady? He loves to surf, and the water's blue, and Mr. Ness is blue. So, the next time he goes surfing, he'll see the blue water and think of me!
Oh my gosh, I love it! Why would you let a guy influence what you wear or anything you do?
Simple. A girl will look at your dress.
And a guy will look at how you look in your dress.
Okay, but what's with the guy being in charge all the time? You should be able to decide whatever you want.
I decide to let boys decide to ask us out.
Why don't you just ask them out? Has a spark come off your plugs?
Yeah, we don't ask anyone out.
Guys, girls can do anything guys can do.
I don't know where you're from, but around here, you have to ask a guy out without asking him out.
You know, like, with your eyes.
So, Tanner, all you guys do around here is hang, eat, and surf?
Is there any other way?
Sounds perfect. Hey, sure are some boo-ha beauties around here. Like that girl, Layla.
The rodent? We don't date no rats.
You wouldn't date a girl just because she's a biker?
The Tide wouldn't take out a girl just because she's a biker.
Don't listen to them. Doesn't matter if a girl's a surfer, a biker, or a bookworm.
Well, what do you like?
Well, girls gotta have something special, you know?
Yeah. Take the lead. She likes it when you're in control. Let it breathe. Chill out and go with the flow. Make all the plans. Don't be impolite. I know what girls know what girls. Yeah, I know what girls like.
Is Caroline Pace.
And I know what boys like. The new boys Whammo co-president is, drumroll, Jake Rice. Yeah!
So, how'd tonight go?
Well, I couldn't get Layla to talk about Tanner, so we're not much farther than we were before.
Not really, no.
Brady, every moment I'm here is another moment that I should be doing something else, like graduating from Olympus or announcing a new SBO president.
Mac, when are we gonna get another chance to be in a movie? Like actually in a movie? Come on. Maybe we just need to get Layla and Tanner to spend more time together as friends. And then, once the movie's back on track, we can go back home.
Right, so get them to see each other as friends, not just rivals.
Right.
How are we gonna do that?
I have no idea, but I'm not gonna stop until I figure it out.
I've never been beaten on the waist before, especially not by a girl.
Yeah, me neither. Oh, that's nice of you guys, but I think girls can do anything guys can do. You can say that again.
If I was to think something right now, I think that people aren't always what I think.
Does that go for the bikers too?
The truth is, bikers aren't all that bad.
Then why all the rivalry?
I don't know, it's just the way it's always been, I guess.
Okay, so it's like your head's telling you to do one thing, but your heart's telling you to do something else.
Yeah, but it's just always something else that gets in the way.
You guys are pretty smart surfers. I know, one of the smartest decisions was the choice for the new historian. The new SBO historian is... It's Lauren. She... I'm so sorry. Samara Larson! So, how are things with you and Brady going?
Good, yes. How are things with you and Tanner?
Good, I guess. I just feel like every time a guy is thinking something, he doesn't say it because...
Telling us would involve more thinking?
Exactly.
But they make up for it by being cute.
You know, Layla, you're not at all what I thought you were gonna be.
I know. I'm not as much like me as people think. You know, it's funny. I feel like I could tell you anything. I have a secret I've never told anyone.
You can tell me if you want.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
I want to surf!
You wanna what?
Surf? Cool.
I mean, like a pro! It's absolutely insane, I know, and if my brother ever found out, he would blow a gasket. Plus, no girls ever surfed like a boy before, I mean, until you, but that's what I want to do.
Well, you shouldn't let anyone tell you what you can and can't do.
So you think I should surf?
Totally. And you know what? I bet Tanner would even teach you. I mean, he taught me everything I know, and I'm a pretty great surfer, right?
You really think he would do that? Layla, you aren't seriously considering surfing, right?
Not just spending time with him, but spending time with him on his turf.
When your brother finds out, you girls have to promise me you cannot say a word to him. He can't find out until after our little date. But then I'll tell him myself. Okay, fine. I don't want to be anywhere near your brother when he finds out, but I bet you girls will want to be here when I announce the new publicity coordinator. The new publicity coordinator is Harvey Jones. All right, it's a plan. I'll set it up. Okay, when I first meet him for our surf date, do you think I should wear this blue dress or this green sweater?
Oh my gosh, a green sweater. It's exactly like the one I brought from home. I have to find Brady.
I think she's got a loose bolt.
Brady, okay, Layla was just showing me her closet, and she has a green sweater exactly like the one I brought from home, the one that can announce the new SBO president. The new SBO president is...
Wait, Mac! Before we even think about going home and announcing the new SBO president, we have to put this movie back on track.
Fine.
Let's go find Layla and Tanner.
Okay.
But before we do, let's actually announce the new activities coordinator. The new activities coordinator is Savannah Richards. Come on, let's go.
Hey, Tanner.
Hey, Layla.
So I heard you can teach me a little bit about surfing.
Yeah, you know, I was pretty shocked to hear that you like surfing.
I know, it's like riding a cloud, except the cloud's water.
No way. That's what I said. Except not right now.
I know bikers aren't supposed to like surfing, but I don't care.
Oh my gosh.
I don't care!
You don't? Hey, you know what?
No, I don't know that either.
I've always wanted to ride a motorcycle.
Are you serious?
No, I'm Tanner.
I grew up writing.
Is that why you're stunning as the moon, lights up the day?
Who said that?
I just did.
Wow, I really like your low voice.
Thanks. I can go hi too.
Who would have thought that a biker and a surfer could have so much in common?
Not me.
Did you ever think that maybe the person you thought was perfect for you isn't as perfect as the perfect person for you?
You mean
You?
and you?
Oh, I know she's out there, most definitely. Oh, yeah.
Maybe you've already met the girl you'll never forget. You're meant to be.
Wait, what are we gonna tell Mac and Brady?
Yeah, where are they anyways? You soifer, get your salty hands off my sister.
Salty hands? What are you talking about, Mr. Flat Tire?
Hey, oh, shut your trap, T-Chan. Back off. Stop it.
We have to tell you two that we're not actually in love.
Wait! Before you say anything, Tanner and I have news for everyone.
We're in love.
You might did that all by yourself?
Yeah, you know, never thought I'd have anything in common with a biker. That is until I took a ride with one.
In fact, all the fighting ever did was stop us from seeing what we all have in common. Big Mamas, the beach, and us.
You know, I've always wanted to learn how to pop a wheelie on one of those. It's not too hard. I can teach you.
And it might be nice to let my hair down once in a while.
I can help with that.
You
Hey sis, you know you could have just told me you were talking to the soifer.
I'm not gonna be upset.
I could never be upset with you, Layla. Hey, drinks on me. Big mamas, everyone. Yeah, let's go. Before I go, I might as well announce the new vice president. One sec. And the new vice president is Ty Johnson.
Mac, we did it. The movie is back on track and we can finally go back to Olympus.
Brady, I don't want to go back.
You don't want to leave?
No, as soon as we leave, that means my senior year's over and I have to graduate. And I'm gonna miss these guys.
Mac, we have to leave so that the next year SBOs can have their own amazing senior year. And besides, we will always be Titans.
You're right. All right, all of the SBOs come up. This is the perfect opportunity to announce the new SBO president. Hold on. SBOs come up. The new student body president is Damon Rasmussen. All right, guys. Okay. SBO, there are things that are super hard, but there are also the best times of your life, and there are gonna be people who say mean things, but you just gotta give it your best and do the best you can. So now we're gonna swear you in. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I do solemnly swear to uphold, defend, and represent the high ideals of my office, the student body, and the Constitution of Olympus High School, and to discharge the duties of my office to the best of my abilities. Congratulations, guys!